Everyone, I'm Luke Burgess. I'm a realtor with the Plowman team. Welcome to our newest home for sale, 69 John Walter Crescent. Let's check it out. This beautiful home is featured on a large corner lot with a massive driveway. Walking into your kitchen with tons of countertop space where you and your family can cook up a mean meal. On your second level, you have 2 spacious bedrooms with tons of natural light and a 4-piece bathroom. Check out that tile and I'll see you downstairs. In the basement, you have an option for a second bedroom or an office den. Check out the rest of the basement. Your open concept living and dining with a walkout to your backyard. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Again, I'm Luke Burgess, a realtor with the Plowman team. If you guys like what you saw, don't forget to give us a call at the number up above, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.